Hello everyone. Here we're going to talk about a very important topic from GATE Life Science syllabus that is selectable molecular markers. Now this is the list that contains some important selectable markers, their selection chemicals, the marker genes, the encodes, and the uh, type of selectable markers they are. So first coming to the neomycin phosphotransferase that is known as the NP. It selection chemicals for the selectable markers. It is the either kanamycin or the neomycins. They are encoded by the NPT2 genes, and actually the enzyme inactivates the antibiotics, and they are actually known as the antibiotic resistance markers. Second selectable marker, that is the phosphoinositide acetyl transferase, that is known as the PAT, and selection chemicals for this marker, it is the bilophos or the phosphoinositide, also known as the glufosinate. They encoded by Bar genes, and they are the herbicide tolerance marker. Number three, that is the hygromycin phosphotransferase, that is HP. Selection chemicals for this selectable markers, that it is the hygromycin, and the genes encoded, it is the HPT, and it is also antibiotic resistance marker. Coming to the next, that is the phosphomannose isomerase, PMI, and selection chemicals for this PMI, it is the mannose, and genes encoded, it is a PMI, and it is actually act as a positive selection marker, and is a non-antibiotic and a non-herbicide type of marker. So it is a positive selection. It actually act as a positive selection marker. Then coming to the next, it is the phosphate or phosphide dehydrogenase PT, and selection chemicals, it is the phosphite PHI, and marker genes for this electable markers, it is a PTXD, and it actually acts as a positive selection marker, and it is also non-antibiotic, non-herbicidal markers. Coming to the next, it is number six, that is a dihydrofolate reductase DHFR, and the selection chemical is the methotrexate, and the marker genes involved for these selectable markers, it is the DHFR, and it is known as the methotrexate resistance marker. And lastly, it is the 5-enol pyruvate cyclimate 3 phosphate synthase, that is EPSPS. Selection chemicals for this marker, it is the glyphosates, and the marker genes for this selectable marker, it is EPSPS, and it is known as the herbicide tolerance marker. So these are some very important selective markers. They are selected selection chemicals on the marker genes and the type of markers they are. So thanks for watching.